How to install VirtualBox. First, you must navigate to https://www.virtualbox.org, and you can get your free software there. Next, you'll need to click on the Download VirtualBox 6.1, as noted in the video. If you have a Windows host, you need to click on under VirtualBox 6.16 Platform Packages under Windows host, as noted with the red arrow. Next, you'll see a pop-up. You'll need to save file. Click on that. Go to your C drive and create a new folder called My VMs. And it's a good idea to put everything in one folder, that way it's not scattered all over the place. That's my philosophy. Create a new folder. This is where you put all your VirtualBox software. So you'll go into your Downloads folder. If you have Windows 10, you'll find the actual executable for VirtualBox, and the version will change, but that's okay. Copy this file into My VMs, and then double click on it. Next, you'll see this pop up. You'll need to take the defaults and everything, and I'll walk you through it. Hit Next. Generally, you'll take all the defaults. It won't hurt you, but it might help you in the future. Take all the defaults, hit Next. And don't worry about the network interfaces. It should work out of the box. It worked for me. It should work for you. And you're ready to install. Click on Install. And generally you want to have that box checked with Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. Hit Finish. Next, you'll see the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. This is where you will have all your VMs in there. You also create a Oracle VM VirtualBox desktop shortcut. So my next video should be about CentOS VM and importing into VirtualBox. So you'll be able to run CentOS is a free Linux knockoff of Red Hat Linux, Enterprise Linux, and it's exactly the same except they strip out the Red Hat proprietary information. So it's a very good one to import. It's actually quite easy to do once you have VirtualBox set up. Thank you for watching. This has been Immersis Tech.